Hello, and welcome to the Mountville Mills Mobile App tutorial. We are proud to offer this app for both Apple and Android devices. To download, visit your App Store and search for Mountville. Be sure to always have the most recent version of the app installed. Also, have your device set to receive notifications from the Mountville app. Once downloaded, open the app and sign up using your account information. You will need your customer account number. Once your account is created, log in with your new credentials. You can find your profile information at the bottom right of the home screen. Now you're ready to create a new logo mat. Select Create a new logo mat. Select Upload Logo. Choose to take a photo or upload a file from your photo gallery. Take photos at a straight-on viewpoint. Crop the photo to include only the desired logo and select Done. From here, choose the desired mat preferences, name your design, and leave notes for the designer. Scroll to the bottom of this page to submit design. You can view the status of your design submissions in the Designs tab. Once the design has been created, you will receive a notification to let you know that your proof is ready to view. You can then download a PDF of the proof, get an approval signature from a customer, or create a similar design. Mobile PDFs will look similar to this. Use the Create Similar button to make small changes quickly and easily to any design. Customers can sign and send artwork approval directly in the app. This speeds up the ordering process dramatically. Once the customer has placed an order for this design, you will receive a notification that the order has been confirmed. The order number will also be displayed. View the status of your orders in the Orders tab. Upon shipping, you will receive a final notification. You may now track your shipment in the Orders tab. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Mountville Mills Mobile App.